and waffle.
And waffles.
Ooh. We do have some homemade strawberry syrup and some store-bought
regular syrup.
Hey,
Hey,
Rex.
Rex.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jay. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe for the vibes.
I am Trim. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do turn on your notification bell so whenever we post
Ding,
a
ding, ding,
video,
ding, ding.
you will receive it also. Give this video a thumbs up with a smile. All right.
Okay, so today on the menu we have lobster and waffle.
Again. What is that?
It's on the lobster.
It's on the lobster.
It's on the lobster. We're gonna say grace. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so today, we're having this, and I do want to have a little conversation with you guys.
Are we going to talk before we eat? I want to talk before we eat because I'm hungry.
All right.
Just say what we having so I can get it in. You could talk.
Okay.
What we having? What we having?
We're having.
What we having?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you.
Tell me.
We're having lobster deep fried with Cheetos and waffle.
And waffles.
Ooh. We do have some homemade strawberry syrup and some store-bought
regular syrup.
So, welcome. Okay? Now, I'll let you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know?
You're welcome.
This is
I don't
too
want.
much.
I'm sorry. I don't want to.
Guys, here's the situation. I came and sat down, and I cannot have my waffle without a little whipped cream. Hold on. We coming back. All right, Rex. Got me my whipped cream.
Ta-da!
Yeah, can't have you know. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So today I wanted to have a little conversation with you guys. I'm not sure. It's been on my mind lately. I figure we'll talk for a little bit. I'm not gonna ramble like I usually ramble because
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
I'm not. Stick around. I am not going to ramble like I usually ramble. Here's what's gonna happen. Now I've been thinking lately. That looks good.
Ooh.
What's this doing?
What you been thinking?
Okay.
This is good. Oh yeah.
So I've been thinking lately that I realize that there's a lot of people going around not realizing how their thoughts affect them. And for some strange reason, they have the impression that they're cute with the thoughts that they have, you know? I am not sure if many people know this, but your thoughts do reflect on you. I'm gonna give you a second to think about that one. I'm taking another bite. Your thoughts reflects on you. So, you cannot think that you could walk around and be like, oh my gosh, you think something about somebody and, that person will never know and they'll never see it and it shows.
Better yet, you're around somebody and constantly wishing for their demise. Why you be around that person? I don't get it. Huh? Go somewhere.
Your thoughts reflects on you. I do want y'all to comment down below and tell me how your thoughts affect you or has affected you or if it is still is affecting you. I've always heard that if you think bad things, more than likely bad things will happen.
Yeah. Yeah. If you have negative thoughts, negative will happen.
Okay.
Right? If you're in a relationship and you have negative thoughts towards that relationship, it will never work. You already
on.
think the person is gonna cheat. It's
Come
a
on.
negative thought.
Think about yourself.
You already think the person is a liar. It's a negative thought.
More than likely, it will happen. Okay? So, one thing though I've never heard, which I've seen it, I mean, me personally, I have. I'm not sure about anybody else, but if you have,
I'm gonna move her. I'm gonna move her, guys. We're gonna call her
Betty?
Betty.
Betty.
How about I put her Betty right here
Yeah.
for y'all?
That's a good look for
Okay.
Betty. Betty's good, Betty.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good look. Okay. She's barely in, but she's still in the conversation, if you get what I'm saying. Are you still in the conversation? If you're still in the conversation, comment down below and tell me how your thoughts has or still is affecting you. Now, back to what I was saying. What I've never read though, and what I have seen personally, is that your thoughts wear on you. It makes you very ugly. And there's not much makeup you could do to cover it. There's not a lot of stuff you could do to cover it because it shows.
Maybe go to the beach and wash it off. I'm sorry.
In Jamaica, it's actually the truth. Because in Jamaica, they used to tell you that if you wanted to cleanse yourself or anything like that, you go to the beach
And
and wash it off in salt water. So, if you think that your thoughts is making you ugly, you might want to take a trip to the beach.
Go duck yourself.
It's about that time you take a trip to the beach and you're like, just head first. Just head first. Don't even wait. Just go right in.
All right, Jay.
Okay.
I'm about to see how this is not. Yo, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna hold it. You want me to hold it? I'm gonna hold it. Go.
All right.
I hold it.
Because I don't want to break it.
I know.
It's too perfect.
I know.
All right. This is for the racks.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That smells so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, racks. Whoa. You see that? Look at that, baby. All right. I'm gonna put this right here, cause I'm gonna build something so we could eat it together. So this is the lobster here. It's not finished. Watch.
And while you're waiting for her to finish that, think about what your thoughts are at this current moment in time and how they're affecting you. Because your thoughts are, that looks pretty juicy.
It's best you comment and tell her, because it seems like she's very passionate about this. So,
I'm just saying, at this current moment, she's teasing you with this lobster. What is your thought at this current moment? Because I wouldn't have a good one towards her right now.
Whipped cream. Not me. And strawberry. Look. Oh, baby.
Ooh.
All right. Throw some of the syrup.
Oh, syrup.
Wait.
Do you want the strawberry syrup or you want?
No, because I already have the strawberry syrup. Give me that one. I said I'm going to put all this in my mouth. All the racks is about to take a bite. Look how big this is. I'll put all of it in my mouth.
Okay.
I don't know all of it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Come on. You know I can't eat sweets. All right.
You want me to eat it for you? I could.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wait, get my lip and everything, because this is gonna be beautiful.
I'll zoom in on your lips.
No.
Okay. No zoom in.
My lips is not alright.
No zoom in. No zoom
Alright.
in. Okay, go. Yup. That's it. Oh. Model shot. Model shot. As I said, what are your thoughts at this current moment in time?
When I put the lobster with the waffles and the syrup, the strawberry, and
The
the
whipped
whipped cream in my mouth.
What are your thoughts at this current moment in
I
time?
can tell you what my thoughts.
Go. Shoot.
Okay.
Can you take a piece of your lobster? I don't have to, I got my own.
My thought,
That thought came up pretty quick after that.
when I bought into it,
Mm-hmm.
oh that flavor bursts in my mouth. The strawberry with the lobster, with the Cheetos, I'm going crazy. This is flavorful insanity. Yeah.
That sounds good. I'll take a ride on that train.
Come on.
Yeah. I got the lobster and the syrup.
Red cup, orange juice. All right.
That lobster is good.
That's good. All right, guys. I'm gonna give y'all one more. Let's stir it up, little darling.
Okay, guys. You know what?
Comment below and tell her what your thoughts is, please.
Yep. I just comment below. And at this present moment in time, please think about your thoughts and how they're affecting you. If they're making you hungry, just walk to the kitchen. Grab a snack. Grab something. Juice. No, you might want to grab a lobster tail with a waffle, but...
All right. Look at this. All right, guys. I have waffle here. Because I'm making something nice.
Okay, I have a story. Okay, guys.
Not right now. This is yours.
No, I have a story
No,
of
this
how
is
mine...
yours.
Oh, that's mine? Okay.
You gotta put syrup on it. Come on. Not a lot, just a little bit.
It's mine?
Yeah.
So why are you saying a little bit? You're not eating it.
Oh, okay. Push your mouth up there. You gotta get real sharp right here now.
Okay.
Real slowly in there. Tell me what you think. Do you feel the strawberry with the lobster tail, the syrup, the whipped cream? That's nice.
I felt everything.
Okay, guys, this is where we leave you.
I forgot about the story.
You're gonna tell it the next time.
How my thoughts affected me at one point in time. And I broke down crying. Because I actually thought I was gonna die. It wasn't that serious. It really wasn't. I was in a pageant. And they did my makeup. I literally thought I was gonna die. My face was so heavy.
She cried the whole time.
I literally cried tears the entire time. Because in my mind, I was gonna die. I thought my face was so heavy, and the lady was like, "You're so cute," and I'm like, "No, I don't feel cute. Something is wrong." She's like, "No, you're so cute." I'm like, I called her. I said, "No, I can't do this." You know what? I was wrong. I did it. After she changed everything and she fixed it, I did it. And you know what? My thoughts were so good to me, I placed second. I was proud of myself. I got it done. I thought good things after that. But my thoughts in the beginning would not have allowed me to do it. No. Okay, guys, this is where we leave you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us, and please do comment down below. And at this present moment in time, while she just did that, what are your thoughts and how are they affecting you?
My thoughts right now is make sure you have a good time, a fine time, a jolly time, a fun time. Put laughter in your life.
Smile.
It will light it up.
Bye, guys.